Good morning, my dear girls, and a warm welcome in today's maths class. Today, the topic that we are going to talk about is circles. A circle is basically a geometrical shape which resembles the shape of a ring or a ball. Here are some different examples of the shapes resembling the shape of the circles that you see in your daily life. A wheel, a clock, a slice of orange, a cookie, a dashboard, a bangle, etc. Altogether, the circle has 8 parts. In this chapter, we shall discuss about the first 3 parts. That is a radius, a chord, and a diameter. First part that we are going to talk about is the radius. The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. So, in the given diagram, P is the center of the circle while M is a point on the circle. Together, segment PM makes the radius of the circle. So, line PM is a radius of the circle. A circle has innumerable number of radii. Radii is a plural form of radius. Also, all radii of the circle are of same length. The next part that we are going to discuss about is a chord. A line joining any 2 points on a circle is called a chord. In a picture that you see on your screen, points M and N are 2 points on the circle. When a line is drawn joining points MN, we get a chord of the circle. The next part of the circle is a diameter. A diameter is a chord which passes through the center of the circle. In the picture, chord AB passes through the center P. Therefore, chord AB is a diameter of the circle. A circle can have many chords and diameters. Let's quickly revise the different parts of the circle that we just discussed. A radius is a line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. A chord is a line joining any 2 points on a circle. And a diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. Based on this information, let's try to complete this table by observing the figure given to us. So from this given figure, you have to identify and write down the radius, the diameter, and the chord of the circle. Now, when you carefully observe, you realize there are more than one radii to this circle. So you are expected to note them down one by one. So before we begin with the naming, kindly note that every time you name a radius, diameter, or a chord, you must begin by writing the word segment. Now this figure displays 4 radii, that is segment OM, segment OS, segment OT, and segment OP, which will be written like this. Now what is the diameter of this circle? Here too, when we observe, we realize there are more than one diameters shown on this circle, which are segment MT and segment PS, which will be written like this. Now the third and the last part we are expected to name is the chord. So which are the chords in the given figure? The chords in the given figure are segment NM, segment MT, and segment PS, which will be written like this. Since diameter is a chord which must pass through the center of the circle, all diameters are examples of chords. Now we shall learn how to draw a circle. To construct a circle, we need two geometrical instruments, a compass and a scale or a ruler. We use a compass to draw a circle. One arm of the compass has a metal point, while the other arm has a place to fix a pencil. A pencil of a suitable length is fixed to a compass. Now, before we learn how to construct a circle, we need to make a note of the points to be remembered while constructing a circle. So, the pencil you use to fix to the compass should be of suitable length, shorter than that of the compass. Kindly note the correct distance between the tip of the compass and the pencil as shown in the first picture. Also note, while holding the compass, you have to hold it with one hand only, as it is shown in the second picture on screen. Now let's learn how to draw a circle using a compass. Step 1. First fix the pencil to the compass. Align the metal tip of the compass with the pencil point as shown in the picture on the right. Note that the level of the pencil point and the metal tip of the compass must be same. Step 2. Take a convenient distance between the pencil point and the metal tip. Normally, the convenient distance that we take between the pencil point and the metal tip is the radius that is given to us. Step 3. Take any point on a piece of paper. Step 4. Hold the metal tip steady on the chosen point and turn the pencil point around it on the sheet of paper. The shape created by the pencil point will be a circle. Kindly note the point at which the metal tip of the compass is held is the center of the circle. For example, in the diagram that you see on your screen, point C is the center of the circle. Also note, to draw a circle of a given radius, a distance equal to the radius is kept between the pencil point and the metal tip of the compass. Like for example in the picture, this distance is 3 cm. Therefore, the radius of the circle drawn using this distance will be 3 cm. Let's begin practice set 28 now. Question 1. Draw circles with the radii given below. The first circle we are expected to draw is of radius 2 cm. So to draw this circle, we first take a distance of 2 cm between the pencil point and the metal tip of the compass using a scale as radius. Then place the point or tip of the compass at a fixed point and then move the pencil arm around to draw the circle, and we are done. Our circle with radius 2 cm is ready. After you have drawn the circle accurately, name the center point as point O. Then draw the radius from point O to any point on the circle and name it. Here we will name it as segment OA. Thus, our desired circle is complete. In sum number 2, we are expected to draw a circle with the radii 4 cm. Following the same steps that we did to draw the previous circle with the radius 2 cm, we will also draw this circle. So at first, with the help of a scale, we take a distance of 4 cm between the pencil point and the tip of the compass. Then we take a fixed point on the paper, and then by holding the tip of the compass steady on the chosen point, Turn the pencil point around on the sheet of paper. Highlight the point at the center. Name the point at the center. Join the center point and any point on the edge of the circle to draw the radius. Name the radius and your desired circle is ready. Following the same steps, we can also draw the third circle with the radius 3 cm. Please note, every time you finish drawing the circle, always remember to highlight the center point, draw the radius and name the radius. Question 2. Draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on the circle. To draw this particular circle, you are not restricted to take a particular radius of a particular length. You can choose any radius and draw the circle of that radius. Just remember to make sure that you show its diameter, its radius, and draw one chord on that circle. You can do this sum by yourself at home according to what we have discussed so far. Please note, when you draw this circle, kindly mention the radius and the diameter on the circle. I hope this explanation helped you understand the steps of how to draw a circle using a compass. That's it with problem set 28. With this, we come to an end of today's discussion. Hope this video was informative. Thank you for being attentive. Please keep practicing. God bless you all.